Ever felt like your client's notes are a total mess? What if I told you na pwede mong gawing super organized in seconds kahit yung pinakampangit na notes na ginawa mo after getting off a call from a client? And we're not yet going to use Phantom. For now, ChatGPT pa rin tayo. This is called Polish My Chaos trick na perfect for VA. So kung may messy Google Sheets or jumbled client notes ka, ChatGPT could be your lifesaver. Simple lang, i-copy-paste mo lang yung raw notes mo, type mo yung instruction, and boom, magic. Look at that. From chaos to clean report in seconds, ready for weekly updates or progress reports. No more hours wasted formatting manually. Kung gusto mo namang magbenta ng oras, literally, let me show you the time travel scheduler trick na tinatawag nila. Kita mo to? Client time zone chaos. Danas na danas ko to before kasi meron tayong clients na may office sa United Kingdom, sa Australia, tapos may Pacific Standard Time. Oh my God. May meeting sa 3 a.m. Walang sleep ang person. Walang productivity. But because of ChatGPT, I was able to list it down, all of the events, tapos yung time zone ng bawat tao. Example, Manila, New York, London, lahat nasa isang list. After that, I went to ChatGPT and I sent a prompt that says, create a schedule for these events so that nobody has to stay awake at 3 a.m. Optimize time for all participants. And then I also added all of the important notes na kailangan, ano yung mga non-negotiables ng each party that is involved or is required to attend that meeting. And boom, ChatGPT outputs a perfect schedule. Walang stress, walang 3 a.m. panic calls. And after that, I just copy and pasted this dun sa Google Calendar invite and ready na. So you're basically bending time for your clients. This is actually just day 3 ha. Yung ating free general virtual assistance training. It's a 14-day training plan and it's free. You can go to blogimergroup.com/GVA and ginagawa ko pa siya but I will continuously upload hanggang sa matapos ko siya. I-try nyo na yung mga tasks dito today and comment kung ready na kayong maging VA wizard at follow me for more ChatGPT hacks and work from home chismis. I'll see you on the next tutorial. Bye!